Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we turn imagination into art. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mystical world of witches' trinkets. Let's start drawing this mesmerizing glass globe, resting on a heavy base. Can you see those swirling lines? And look inside, there's a whole universe in there with stars and a glowing moon. It's like magic is about to burst out. But wait, the enchantment doesn't stop there. Up top, we've got stars and twinkles, making it seem like pure magic is spilling out of the globe. Can you feel the magic in the air? And on the right, we've got not one, but two lit candles. It's like we're in the middle of a mystical ritual. And what's this on the left? A witch's broom standing tall right next to our magical globe. It's got a rustic, giving it that classic timeless charm. But that's not all. Look at the ground where we've scattered herbs and leaves all around. It's as if nature itself is celebrating the magic happening here. Now, let's add some color to this enchanting scene. We're painting the globe with shades of deep, mystical blue to make it look even more magical. The broomstick, well, it's embracing the earthy browns. The candles are bathed in warm, inviting orange and rustic tones. And the stars and twinkles? They're shining bright in a beautiful shade of yellow. And there you have it, our magical witch's trinket scene. If you had fun today and want to see more enchanting art like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Until next time, keep creating magic with your art.